In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a gifted game on Steam Desktop. Before we jump in, there's one important thing to understand about how Steam handles gifted refunds. If a game was bought as a gift, the process starts with the person who received the game, not the person who purchased it. That approval from the recipient is what allows the original buyer to continue with the refund request, so these steps need to be completed on the recipient's account first. To begin, log into Steam on your desktop. Make sure you're signing into the account that actually received the gifted game, because the refund permission option won't show up if you're on a different account. Once you're signed in, go to the Steam support page. This is the part of Steam where you can manage purchase problems, technical issues, and refund requests. When you're on the support page, click on Games, Software, etc. This section lists products connected to the account, including titles you own, as well as games you've received. From there, find the gifted game and click on it to open that game's support options. If your library is large, slow down here and double check that you've selected the right title so you don't end up opening the wrong support page. Next, choose the problem you are having from the list of available options. Steam uses this selection to guide you to the correct support path. After that, click I'd like to request a refund. That's the option that opens the refund flow for a gifted game. You'll then see a checkbox that says allow the original purchaser of this gift to request a refund. Go ahead and check that box. This is the key step because it gives the person who bought the gift permission to submit the actual refund request. Once you've done that, the recipient's part is finished. From there, the original purchaser can continue the refund request on their side. Follow the process carefully.